Hello, welcome. I am here today to share with you some energy medicine practices for digestion, the vagus nerve connecting to the lower gut. This is where we have our thumbs that are going to be now in our belly button, and we're going to make this diamond shape with our thumbs kind of over our belly button. Whenever you can do skin to skin contact, it is always good. So I have my thumbs right here, and I'm just gonna gently windshield wiper. And this is just so relaxing, even this action alone. So let's breathe in and out. Ah. And let's do some vagal breathing. Really good for digestion, relaxing a spastic stomach, any of that. It's just really nice to do that. Well, I certainly feel more relaxed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have found this helpful. Have a great day. The health seeker in me honors the health seeker in you. Namaste.